It's Hammy Star, Hammy Star. Close up. Bye bye. Just kidding. Did you know people through 75 through 80, the ages, all die from the same thing, and they all live in nursing homes? They all die of constipation. Yeah. Too bad. Okay, bye, everybody. Hey, sorry about this thingy. He went down that. And now he's coming to get me. Oh, oh, come on, Hammy Star. Let's zoom in on him. Meow. Eyeball close. Come on, buddy. Oh boy, he wants to come out today. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see him call my big pink thing. Yeah. Oh, Hammy Star! Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Uh-oh. What the fuck? There he is. Do not commit suicide like you did off of the computer desk. I remember that. That was too funny. He's gonna hump the ball. Aww. I've seen many stupid animals, but this one is pretty stupid. But he's brave, though. He's brave. He will go against my dog and win. My cat is also brave, but she's bigger and she has a better chance, but he would usually win against my dog. They're both girls, though. Trixie and Kira, they're both girls. Trixie is my cat and Kira is my dog. And he is Oreo, but my mom calls her Hammy Star. Calls him Hammy Star. He freaks out when I grab his fur. Just kidding. My sister does way worse stuff to him. She hurts him. And she also looks at him. That must hurt a lot. Just kidding. My sister is pretty. That's coming from me. From me. I got in trouble by her today. Hammy Star. Oh, there you are, little butt munch. He's on a mission to find a place to crap. And I think he did. Do not commit suicide. See if we'll do that, a suicide thing again. I put him up there once, right there on that shelf. This is my sister's room. Why you ask I'm in my sister's room? Because that's her hamster cage. So I put him up there and I was watching him. I turned my head just to get something. He's jumping off of it. It's like a freaking daredevil. Right, Hammy Star? Right. Did you hear him, dog? Oh my God! Ah! 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 Shut the fuck up, bitch. He told me to shut the fuck up. What the fuck is your problem, man? There's like nothing to do around here, and I'm struggling for my life. Oh, you guys gotta see when I give him a cranberry. That's hilarious. That'll be next video. Okay, bye.